This is your reading for today. Your cards are time for a nap and round and round. Office politics, relationship dynamics, the push and pull in relationships for many of you in marriage with a partner or a spouse. People who you thought were friends now seeming to behave like enemies. And are you exhausted? You are very, very exhausted. And you just want to sleep and forget about all of this, and you don't want anybody to disturb you. And possibly that you have been doing this also, right? I'll tell you what can help you in this situation. You are extremely exhausted with all this politics around you in personal relationships and in professional relationships. Now, what you need to do is a couple of things. If there is any book which is motivational or inspirational for you, it can be a book like a Bhagavad Gita, or maybe if you read authors like Eckhart Tolle, for example. Close your eyes, open a page at random, read. There is a message for you in that book. Okay? It will show you the path ahead on how to deal with the situation. Number 2, spend time close to a water body. Dip your feet in the water. If you can't go to a water body, take a glass of water early in the morning when you wake up. Go outside in the sun, speak into the water that every day in every way I am getting better. Sit down and slowly drink the water as if those words are going inside you with the water. Okay? Number 3, keep the color green around you. A green bed sheet, a green dress, green cushions, for example, flowers with green leaves at home. Bring a green plant home or for your indoor setting. Or use green crystals. You can use a green aventurine. You can use prehenite, that is also green color. You can keep them as clusters in your home or wear it as a bracelet. Okay? Now, how to break out of this situation? See, listen, you have done the hard work with integrity, with focus, with commitment. You have a lot of wisdom that you have accumulated from your life experiences. Why are you afraid to stand your ground and speak your truth? Yes, everything that is happening is like coming at you at super speed. Somebody saying this, somebody saying that, but why are you afraid? You have the wisdom, you know the truth. So shed the weight of other people's expectations and opinions and say or do what you have to. Not out of revenge, but with kindness. But do it. You have the wisdom. You know it is the correct thing to do, so why are you worrying that they will say this, they will say that, they will expect this, they will expect that? That is how you break the cycle and start out with a light energy.